So this giant one that you brought me, explain this again, because you were telling me out there. I'm like, let's save this for the show because this is crazy.
Sure, this is the best gift that I can give from a mycologist to a friend. This is a rare old growth mushroom called agarikon. Only grows in the old growth forest. Is now on the red list of threatened species in Europe. This one was found on the ground, folks, so it's important that people don't pick these. They're very rare. Literally, 1 out of 100 times in the old growth forest, I'll find one.